Hey guys, good morning, guys. Today I'll just give you a simple strategy that Helen is using. Me, I'm not only predicting numbers according to how I predict according to the present. Okay, I'm just gonna do a small recap and then I will jump over to today's numbers. But let me say what should I don't like using these apps with colors and stuff. So okay, I'll just do a small recap for you guys. Sorry, let me see. This app, it says lunch to lunch, lunch to tea, tea to lunch. It goes like that. So what I'm gonna do here, I'll show you something, an example. I'll start from the 14th, which was yesterday. So these codes, guys, these are called blue codes. You see these codes, they're called blue codes. So this is what you do to the blue code to get your number. Because sometimes the blue code will just give you one banker. Like for example, they took here 14, it came, but then it's not guaranteed. So what Uk49, what Helen is doing instead, she's saying 146 times 176. If you say that, you're gonna get 25696. So this is a two banker strategy of getting two numbers. Then here there should be a comma, which means 25. You skip, you say 2629, which came like as 2629. You see, this is just a simple strategy for learners, beginners who are still. That is why, guys, I always recommend you guys to have the books for how to create blue codes. Because you see now, you see these codes, but you don't know how they work. These are called blue codes. But with the blue code, you don't just come naked to the blue code and think you're going to. They don't just pick. They know what they're doing with the blue code. So you see, as for today, using the blue codes, this is what they're going to do. It's Helen. Already, if you can check, I'm going to say 135 times 137. 135 times 137. It's 135 times 137. The banker is 13 and 19 and 11. These are the bankers for today. But then before I even go far, so the code for today is 25245. So what you're going to see, if we say 135 times 137, you're gonna get 25245, which means there's a 22, there's a 25, there's a 45. Simple strategy. There's what? There's a 45, then there should be a 24 or 42. Guys, you see, I don't like these color things because they confuse me, but this is what it is for today. There's no much to tell. If it's Helen, don't predict so much. Just do a simple thing that and then on your bonus section, just make sure you include 7, because the bonuses today, they're going to go with a series of 7. Can go from 7 to 27, 7 to 47. Play those bonuses just as 7. But what else? Actually, you know what I'm thinking? Let me just go to my board, because this is too clumsy. I can't see, like it's too clumsy with these colors. I don't like using these coloring apps. Okay, let's move then now. We're gonna move on to my notepad. So now I'm with the notepad. I wanted you guys to understand where the blue codes are coming from. So let's say Helen, so we know exactly what we're doing. It's Helen, and then you write that blue code, which is 135 and 137. So Helen, what she does, she's going to multiply it. 135 times 137. It's gonna give us a what? It gives us a 25245. Okay, and then guys, I'm just gonna explain, but typing. We're gonna start breaking the blue code, then we will multiply it first. So it's 13 plus 5. you get a what? 13 plus 5 should be an 18. Okay, alternative of 18, you say times 2, it will give us a 36. A 36, which is a 39. I'm explaining while writing. And then you're going to say 1 plus 3 plus 5. Sorry, plus 5. It's going to give us an 8. An 8. Is it an 8? Am I right? No, it's a 9. Sorry. It's a 9. So the alternate of 9 is a 6. Always make sure you spin your numbers, because if you don't spin, trust me, you'll have a problem. And then from the same very chord, you're going to say 35 plus 1 is equals to what? 36. That is already came on top because of an 18. Alternative 36 is 39. So we write there. Okay, 35 minus 1 is equals to what? It's 34. 34. Alternative 34 is 43. Okay, so second chord. Second chord, let me just say, wait, I'm doing the calculations here. Okay, so I'm at the last chord now. Let's just maybe say chord A, so we won't have a problem, because you know some of us are still learning, so this could be quite tricky. This is quite tricky. So the second chord, we're gonna call it chord B, which is 137. So it's 13 plus 7 equals to 20. 20 must drop by 5 by force. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is equals to what? Has it a 6? Is it a 6? Is it a 6? 13 minus 7 is it? Let me see. 13 minus 7. That should be 6 years. Which you see now, the 6 is gonna drop. And then when you say 37 plus 37 plus 1 equals to 38. This is a whole number. You don't have to. It doesn't have an alternate. 37 minus 1 equals to 36. So I consider 36 or 39 as the banker for today. It can be lunch and tea time. It's okay. So now, do you see? Already we've broken our code. Let me just make it into like capital letters. Capital letters, so I can understand exactly what's happening here. Okay, so I'm done with that. Okay, so remember guys, sorry guys, I'm just doing some other stuff while I'm doing the video, so just be patient with me. Okay, cool. This is a lesson guys, so don't, you see, already I've broken that blue code for you. And then when you are done, you're not done yet. We do let's say this is a final chord now. Okay, so when you say 135 plus 137 is equals to a 272. So now do you see that you're spotting that that 22 is the 27? But this is what you're going to do from that chord. You will say 27 plus 2 is equals to 29. After that, you say 29 minus 1 is a 28. 29 plus 1 is a 30. Okay, you see again, 27 minus 2 is equals minus 2, sorry, not 3, 2 is equals to what? It's a 25. So 25 is a powerful number today, because I see it from there. And then you say 25 minus 1, I get a 24, sorry, 24. 25 plus 1 is a 26. So guys, I think this is what it is. Please go back and check exactly what I did, revise. This is the first strategy that I did put on the first book. I just wanted to highlight for you. So if you are interested in the book, this is the number for WhatsApp. You just WhatsApp that number and then you're gonna be sorted. Practice guys. There's no like, we cannot retreat. We just have to go forward. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Do we have Powerball tomorrow? Hey, tomorrow's Powerball Mega Million Yes, thank you very much, guys. Enjoy.